Big cappuccino because my dad always loves. Have you subscribed yet? Please subscribe. Thank you for
5 minutes later.
And this is what happens. Look at this glass. Woo! So I put the chocolate topping on, and this is.
I'm gonna have a taste of this beautiful cappuccino I made by hand.
Hey, what's up YouTubers? Welcome back to our channel again. I hope you had a happy new year. I hope you enjoyed the fireworks. Today we're gonna make a big cappuccino because my dad always loves the cappuccino without using the coffee machine. So you need three ingredients. Nescafe, so that's this, sugar and water. And everything has to be equal measurement because you can't have like sugar very small, this is really big, this is really large. You have to have all of them same measurement. Have you subscribed yet? Please subscribe. Thank you for everybody who subscribed. If you're new, subscribe. Why did you subscribe? Come on, subscribe. Oh, you did it. Thank you. If you like this video, like the video and comment and hit the notification bells.
Let's put the stuff. Without using the coffee machine. And a bit of the water.
We have all of the ingredients. We need the mixture now. But remember what happened in the pancake video. You should go and watch the pancake video if you didn't watch it. And this is what happens.
Five minutes later.
This beautiful texture. Look how good it looks. And it looks really good. And look at this glass. Woo! We got this from our lovely neighbors. This looks really, really nice. Look at that. Woo! And look at that red. Woo! And look at this beautiful spoon. Ooh, gold and flowers. So what you need to do is you take the cappuccino. Yep. You take the cappuccino and you put it in here. And this is the really, really hot milk. Oh, look at that swirl. Now all we have to do is mix it. Yeah. Okay, if you got the mixture right, this is what you should get. Wow, look at that texture. Yeah. Okay, oh, look at this amazing cappuccino. This looks really beautiful. Add some of this. Sprinkle. Wow. This looks really nice. So I put the chocolate topping on and this is what it should look. Okay, I'll show you the design. That looks really good. That looks like a flower. This looks really good. Let me call my dad and let's see how it tastes like. Baba! Baba! Come here!
What is the surprise?
Try and guess.
What is the surprise?
Cappuccino.
Wow, that looks amazing. How did you make that? We don't have a machine, so how did you make that?
I made it without a machine.
You make it without a machine?
Yeah.
Wow, look at this beautiful glass. Wow, how did you do
What
that?
do you think?
That looks really, really good. It looks fluffy.
What do you think it's gonna taste like?
Well, I need to taste it and I need to tell this beautiful audience what it tastes like.
And what do you think? Does it look better with the coffee machine or like this?
I think this looks really delicious. Thank you, Madi. Thank
You're
you, Madi,
welcome.
chef. Let me taste it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have a taste of this beautiful cappuccino I made by hand, and I'll tell you what it tastes like. Okay, here we go. That is absolutely amazing. Wow, Madi, well done.
Delicious.
It's delicious. Wow. It's got beautiful, rich texture.
Baba. Delicious.
Okay, that's Madi. I'm going crazy. She's going delicious. Yeah, it's got beautiful texture to it. It's got beautiful taste to it. It looks
try
amazing.
and taste
Look
that.
at the design. Wow. Yeah, I think I really like this. But can you make it every day, Madi?
Let me try and taste it.
Yeah. Can you make it every day?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Madi. Thank you, Mariam. Yeah. Well, you even got a mustache.
Try.
You can even mustache. Okay, guys, thank you very much. I hope you've liked this video. Gives us a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, like the video, and next, I don't know what Madi chef will be making, but I got a feeling the next he will be making Danish pancakes. So stay tuned to watch that, how he's going to make Danish pancakes. Okay, final words.
Would you give that out of 10?
I will give this out a 9 out of 10. It tastes really good, delicious,
But
very good,
strong.
very strong, very good texture. Guys, stay
I
tuned.
give it an 8
8, yeah? Okay,
because it has a really strong taste.
okay. Okay, guys, stay tuned, stay focused. Wishing you all a very happy new year. Peace out.
Peace out, guys.